So this is all the loud stuff available at Chorlton Fireworks. He's got like a noise section in his shop. So we've got Yorgs.
JW408.
Is that? He's just got a. There's no actual name to it. It's just the JW408, which is what is it? Crackling chrysanthemum type thing.
Huge crackling chrysanthemum. I call it a chrysanthemum cloud.
Cloud, nice. Heavy hitter. That's a new one. What's that one?
New
from Primed.
Punchy, loud, nice big bursts. It's got different momentums in there. Speeds up and then comes back down, building up to finale. And the finale's salutes, basically loud bursts.
Sorted, and a kilo of NEC just shy of that. Very good. Yorg JW4000 show of fireworks, 30mm.
Good burst size, great colours in there, some very unusual colours.
Yeah, I must admit, Yorg, very good brand. Taj Fun. Now that was that a renamed? Oh, what did it used to be called now?
That's an original. That one. It's not renamed. That's probably one of my favourite fireworks from them.
Yeah.
Real big punch. If you've not watched it, watch the video. It's real big punch fire, big bursts out of it. It's very popular 3 years ago and still goes today. People who've had it bought it again, so it's a nice one from them.
Cool. We got the Dum Bum range. So if you like loud, they're not very colourful. They're just noisy. So you got your 30mm bore ones. You got the mini fan edition, and then. Oh no, that's your 30mm there, isn't it? This one, this beast down here. So
if you like compound as well, but nowhere to put it.
Ah, right, cool. And you even do a compound. Fantastic. Furious Angels, that's a new one.
Yeah.
Primed. What's that sort of like?
Loud whistlers.
Whistles.
Oh, screeching tails.
Yeah, screeching tails to breaks. Yeah.
It's a big.
I have seen the video for that. Yeah, that is actually good firework. Thunder King, that's been going a good few years from Brothers. Coco, you've put that in the noise section. Is it loud? I've got that one.
Yeah,
It's certainly colourful.
No, I've got colour to it, but I think it is
noisy.
Fabrics.
That's in my stash this year. Nice colours in that one. Skybreaker, that's been out a good few years now, probably about 3 years. That's primed. Massive crackle bursts, and almost feels like they're going to hit the ground. The bursts are that big. So you need plenty of room for that, but it is noisy. Jackpot, I haven't fired that one. That's primed, and that's got some salutes in, I think, and it's got some colour to it. Thunderbolt and Thunderstrike, both from Elite. They've been going a good few years now, but if you like noise, again, nice big bursts. We'll try and zoom in. There's different effects though, obviously. So
you're nearer to the road.
There they are. And Thunderstrike.
Nearer to the road then.
So that's the noise section.